Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a couple things to show you here, and it is from NewCraftDay. As I have said, you can tell we have some yarny goodness here, right? As I've said, a lot of these budget-friendly companies are carrying yarn, crochet hooks, all that good stuff that is not diamond painting. So I'm going to show you a couple things here. I'll show you the diamond painting first, and then I'll show you the yarny stuff, all right? So thank you to them so much for sending this. I got to pick this out, of course. So I ordered one similar to this, but it was pinks and red. I think Christopher Colossa ordered all of them. There's several different varieties of this, and they're all super pretty. I picked ones that had quite a bit of drilling going on, had some special drills, as you can see. Not a lot of slivers, as far as I could tell. So this one only has 6 colors, but I thought it was really pretty with these teal colors. So let's look at the rhinestones and see what we think. Are they going to be that pretty teal? And let's see. All right, let's look at them. What do we have here? What do we have? So we have some brown, which, you know, rightfully so. We've got a lot of tree there. We got a green, that's green. We have some very pretty AB teardrops. Those are super pretty. That's all those 3s, all those petals. Yep. 4s are going to be the centers of the flowers. Oh, there's more slivers than I thought. Where are those bad boys? Oh, I see them now. So we got a bunch of like gold slivers, and we have some gold marquees that have that crystal on the back of them. So it's really not teal at all, it's green. And the slivers are going to make up all these little guys right here. All those are slivers. Slivers. Yep. Okay, so that's that one. All right. Let's look at the yarny stuff. So I can't resist when I go and I just put in, I like putting crochet usually. And crochet brings up lots of stuff. So let's look at this yarn. All right. So, ooh, it is super, super fine, right? Probably like a 1 weight. And these have no information on them. Well, there is, but it's in Chinese. This basically says to hand wash it. Do not iron. Do not, I don't know what all these symbols mean. I should learn the symbols. But it's super soft. It's got a little sheen to it. It's probably got some good yardage on it because, I mean, it's fine little stuff, right? So, I mean, it's fingering weight for sure. Yep. So I got 2 of those, right? Same color. So that's that. That's all I can tell you about it. I can't tell you acrylic, bamboo, tencel. I don't know. If I had to guess, I would say it's more like a tencel, not tinsel, tencel. Like true booish, but not quite. You know what I mean? I mean, it's hard to tell because they don't have a great description. But these are kind of cool. Let's look at these. A set of crochet hooks. All right. So they're rose gold. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Love that about them. So all of the metal hook part is rose gold. Can you tell it's rose gold? It is. It's not gold. At first I thought they were gold, but they're not. They're rose gold. Okay, so here on our handle is our size, 3.5 millimeter, and they have just a pretty floral clay hook. Now, here's the deal. When you have this type of a pen, I'm just going to say, these clay handles are way back here. Now, if you're a person who crochets like this, that might be fine, right? Now, I do not. I do not crochet like the knife. I crochet like a pen, and that is way too far back on my hook to be doing anything. So I'm going to be way up here, hook, you know, with my hook. And this is just going to rest in, you know, my hand here. And it rests nicely there, actually. It's not going to help with my finger, you know, any finger comfort, but it might help here that it's not just like hook, you know what I mean? So, I mean, they were very pretty. They're very nice, little clay covered crochet hooks. We have all of our standard sizes here. That's a 6.5. That was a 6. And I guess one of these is a 5.5 and a 5. So then we should have a 4, 4.5. Yep. And then we have a 3.5, a 3, and a little 2.5. So there they are. They are super cute. Yeah, what else can you say about them? They're super cute. You notice that some of them have, like this one has a much brighter pink to it than, say, this one does. So they're all a little different. They're not, exactly the same, but they're cool. And I like that they're rose gold. I do like that about them. That's really pretty. So, all right, so we got some yarn and we got some hooks and we're ready to go. So anyhow, that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. And like I said, if you are interested in yarn, crochet hooks, bowls, notions, things like that, put in crochet and search, and things will come up for you. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.